And lastly, we need to discuss about the switch structure. So in switch structure, there is what we call a switch statement. The switch statement, it enables a program to switch between different outcomes based on a given expression. So basically, if we will talk about switch, this is similar to the if-else-if statement because it caters to two or more choices of the output, and this is actually the general format of it. So you don't forget to put the reserve word, which is, of course, we need to choose switch. Sorry, I did not choose. One moment. Okay, we need to use the reserve word switch. Then don't forget the expression here. So it should be a Boolean expression. Then it should be put into curly braces. So you can see the case 1 here until the end. Take note that the default here will serve as the else in your if-else-if statements. Okay? Let's proceed. So yeah, this is actually the same. And also, guys, take note that after the statement, before you will proceed to the next case, you need to put a break. Okay? Again, the purpose of break, it's for example, if the condition is already satisfied in the case number 1, if it will encounter a break, it will not proceed to the other cases. Okay? But at least delete na siya, magsigig continue. And actually, there's another one. There is another reserve word that you can use aside from break if you want to continue. So another word or a reserve word you can use, it's the continue. Then don't forget to put the semicolon. Okay. Unlike with the if statement, the multiple statements are executed in the switch statement without needing the curly braces. So basically, if you will check it here, we only have the curly braces here before the cases, right? But take note, after the case 1, or for example, case then A, there should be a colon. Okay? Take note on that one. Okay. When a case in a switch statement has been matched, all the statements associated with that case are executed. Not only that, the statements associated with the succeeding cases are also executed. That's why we need to use break or we need to use the continue. It's really up to you. It also depends on the program. To prevent the program from executing statements in the subsequent cases, use break statement as the last statement. Okay, so we have this kind of example. If we will try to use this, so for example, I have a good example. One moment. Let's create another Java class. Then this is for the switch example. Okay, in the switch example, we need to use main. Then scanner input. Then new scanner. Then system.in. Don't forget to put the import because you will encounter an error. We need to use the Java library util. Okay. Next one, we need to use we can use int then choice. There. System.out.println. So enter a number enter a number. So the number, it should be from 1 to 7. So you know this one already. This is for the weeks. Okay, after this, we need to put the switch in the switch. So it should be the choice. We need to put here the choice. It's not a Boolean expression, but actually if you will use this, this is not a Boolean expression, but this is only to check, this is only to get the value from the inputted choice of the user. Okay, so this should be choice equals input dot next int. Okay, here let's go directly to our case 1. So if the user inputted 1, what should it do? So system.out.println, it will show Monday. Then don't forget the break. After putting the break, basically you can just copy and paste this one. Oh God, sorry. You can just copy and paste this one. Okay, so this is, we're already in 3, 4, 5, 6, and actually this is 7. Okay, now we can just put here 1. This is correct. This one, this is 2, and we can put here Tuesday. This is 3. We can put this one Wednesday. This is 4. We can put Thursday. This is 5. We can put this one Friday. So this is 6. This is Saturday. And this 7. This is Sunday. What if there are some users who are not following instruction, even though that it's showing that it will only cater 1 to 7, but the user inputted 8. So this is the time where we can use the default. In the default, you can just put here anything. But for this example, I will just put here not following instruction. Enter 1 to 7 only. Okay. Then don't forget to put the break. Sorry. There you go. So let's try. Let's see if there is an error. I think there is none. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is the error. Okay, let's try running this code. Okay, what if I inputted, because I'm not following instruction, I inputted 0. There, you're not following instruction, enter 1 to 7 only. Okay, let's try again. I inputted 6, Saturday. Okay, so actually that is our example for number 1, and that is really so easy. So for this one, for example number 2, if the grade here, for example, the value of the grade here, it's 92. 92, where can we put the 92 here? So basically the 92, it will be shown in this one. Okay? Okay, analyze what happens when the following code is executed when val equal to 10. 100, 1000, write a program to verify your answer. So basically for this one, if we will try to answer this code, if we will try to use this one, let's create another class, Java class, switch example 2. I'll just copy this one. Okay, one moment. There you go. Okay, choice. This is actually the val. Val, this is val. Enter val, enter value, enter a value. Then this should be val. Then the val here, it should be the switch. Then val, sorry. Oh, what's happening? Okay, so case, this should be case 10. Then system dot out dot println, this should be 10. Then break. I'll just need to copy this one. Sorry. Sorry. This should be 100. This one is 100. Then lastly, we need to use default. Then default, this should be 1000. So basically, if we will execute this one, if you entered enter a value, sorry, I need to put here that one again, run again. Okay, enter a value. For example, I inputted 30, so it showed 1000. How about if I entered, sorry, I will not use the debug. I will try to use 10. So basically it will use 10. How about for 100? Of course it will show 100. However, if you inputted 10, aside from 10 or 100, for example, I inputted 101, it will display 1000. Okay?